पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया। सुन मेरी देवी
पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
पान सुपारी बजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी बजा नारियल,
पान सुपारी बजा नारियल।
पान सुपारी बजा नारियल।
ले तेरे भेद चढ़ा, ले तेरे भेद चढ़ा।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
सुबह चोर तेरे अंग विराजे,
सुबह चोर तेरे अंग विराजे,
सुबह चोर तेरे अंग विराजे।
सुबह चोर तेरे अंग विराजे।
केसर तिलक लगाया, केसर तिलक लगाया। मेरी देवी
पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
ब्रह्मा मेर परे तेरे द्वारे,
ब्रह्मा तेरे भले तेरे द्वारे,
ब्रह्मा मेर परे तेरे द्वारे।
ब्रह्मा तेरे भले तेरे द्वारे।
शंकर ज्ञान लगाया, शंकर ज्ञान लगाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बनाने वाले, ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बनाने वाले। नीचे शहर बनाया, नीचे शहर बसाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
नंदे पद तेरे आगे आया,
पद तेरे आगे आया,
नंदे पद तेरे आगे आया।
नंगे पद तेरे आगे आया।
सोने के चक्र चढ़ाया,
सोने के चक्र चढ़ाया। सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मणि, त्रेता द्वापर मणि। कलयुग राज समाया, कलयुग राज समाया। सुन मेरी देवी
पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती,
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती,
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती।
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती।
मोहन भोग
लगाया,
मोहन भोग लगाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वतवासिनी तेरा पालन पाया, तेरा पालन पाया।
भानु बदन में तेरी दुन्नावे,
मान भमय मैं तेरे गुण गावे,
भानु बदन में तेरी दुन्नावे।
मान भमय मैं तेरे गुण गावे।
मन वांछित बल पाया, मन वांछित बल पाया।
सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वनवासिनी तेरा पारन पाया, तेरा पारन पाया,
तेरा पालन
पाया,
तेरा
पारन पाया।
बोले आज शक्ति देवी दुर्गा माता की जय. Devotees, please take your seats. Sitaram, Namaste, and a pleasant good evening to each and every one of you. On behalf of the Singh family, Sila's East and West Indian Store, Singh's Roti Shop, and all of the other organizers of this yagya, we'd like to welcome each and every one of you here this evening to the beautiful Shiva Mandir. Our Vyasji Pandit Anand Sukul is seated on the asam. He'll be introduced shortly. FM 105, 106.5, Akash Vani DJ Mamu is here with us, broadcasting globally. Kiskiri Video and Audio, Mr. Pratap Bisoon is here. All the beautiful singers and musicians. I'm also blessed to be accompanied by my Dharam Patni tonight. And all of the listeners, all of the relatives and friends of the Srotas listening back home in Trinidad and Guyana, we say namaskar and a pleasant good evening to you. And thank you for listening and joining with this, our fourth evening of devotion. Seated next to me is who I consider one of the most learned and senior pundits in South Florida. I've known him for many years. He has been with us for the past 4 nights, and he always continues to support all functions, all yagyas in this community. As I said, he's one of the senior most pundits in this community. He comes from the land of many waters, Guyana, but his service to humanity and service to community is fathomless. Remember, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba says, hands in society and head in the forest. Here is a pure example of that. My dear friends, please give a nice round of applause to Pandit Ram Bharos ji, who will now address us for a few minutes. Pandit ji.
Yajagrito Durudaiti Devo Taday Sukta Tatai Durangamang Jyotishang Jyotirekam Tanme Mana Shiva Sankalpamastu Om Sangasavang Sambhadavang Sambho Manasi Janatam Devo Bhagyam Yata Purve Sanjanana Pasatem Om Ishavasyam Idam Sarvam Yat Kinchan Jagatam Jagat Tena Tyaktena Punjita Magdakasya Sridhanam Magdakasya Sridhanam. Adharniya Vyasji Maharaj, Pandit Neel Prasad ji, मेरा प्रिय भाई व्यास जी आनंद सुकुल का प्रवचन सुनकर मैं बहुत हर्ष हूँ और उसका प्रवचन इतना ज्ञान है कि हमारा जीवन सफल होता है. जैसे हमारा पूर्वज लोग दिया वैसा ही हमारा प्रिय व्यास इस ज्ञान दिया. Most beloved and reverend Vyasji Maharaj, my brother Pandit Neel Prasad, It is by the grace of God that we're here in this mandir and to have listened to the beautiful discourse of our most reverend and my brother in spirit also, Divyasji Anand Sukul. And his message was one that creates the internal awakening of all of us. And also, the knowledge that he has given us will make our lives fulfilled. Just like dharam, arth, kam, and moksha, the four fruits of life we'll certainly get. And the way he presented his lectures is just like our Purvaj Log, like our ancestors. And only in the mind of the rishis we can elevate ourselves. भाई और बहनों, आनंद मानव का सहज स्वभाव है. Man's essential nature is divine. लेकिन अज्ञान के कारण और अंधकार के कारण हम बुद्धू बनकर, favorite word of the Vyasji Maharaj, और इस जगत में हम फंसे हुए हैं. भाई और बहू, सबके हृदय में ईश्वर विराजमान है. This is a message that the Vyasa gave me, that the Lord dwells within us. But in order to understand the Lord, we need to be presented with knowledge that can awaken us, not knowledge that will deceive us. And there's no deception in the Vyasa's knowledge. So, because our indriya are purnhai, because our senses are imperfect, we are being led astray, and we do not recognize who we are. So my message in short, bhale karo, bhale bano. Do good and be good. Niswart seva kariye. Do selfless service. Mil kar rahiye. Always live in unity, right? And always remember that आप इस नाशवान शरीर नहीं है. You are not this perishable body. आप शुद्ध आत्मा है. You are indeed a pure soul. सबसे प्रेम करो, love all, serve all, realize the essence of life. And devotees, if you listen carefully to my brother, who was from Guyana, I know him a long time. And even in New York since 1991, I came there. And the amount of messages that he's given it, but he also lived a life. And because of his life, there are many times a lot of miraculous happenings happen when he finishes a yajna or anything he does. There's a touch of divinity in him. May you all recognize his teaching, accept his teaching. It will certainly do good not to you alone, but to the whole world and to all the listeners who are looking at us tonight in this beautiful Shiva Mandir. Prem se bolo Krishna Chand Bhagwan ki.
Please give our Panditji a lovely round of applause. Pandit Ram Parosji, one of the senior most Pandits in our community today. Panditji, may God bless you and continue to grant you health, strength and prosperity. Devotees, it is written, Satya Samagam Hari Katha, Tulsi Durlabadoi, Sutadara or Lakshmi Papi ke bihoi. It is only through the good deeds that we have done that we are able to sit here and be blessed to be in satsang. Sat is truth, sangha is to assemble for the truth. And this, we begin our evening with praises to Jagadambe Ma in this bhajan. Please join with me. Jai Jagadambe Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Jagadambe Ma, Jai Ma. जय जगदम्बे माँ, जय माँ। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूं प्रणाम। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूं प्रणाम। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। मुझे बचाते पीरावों से बरद हस्त जो तेरे मंदिर आते जाते भाव सके ना मेरे। जय माँ, जय माँ, ओ जय माँ। मुझे बचा दे पीरावों से बरद हस्त जो तेरे मंदिर आते जाते भाव सके ना मेरे। तूने माता सदा बनाई मेरे बिगड़े काम। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूं प्रणाम। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। तेरी महिमा मैं क्या गाऊं सारी दुनिया जाने। उसको विपदा कभी न घेरे जो कोई तुझको माने। जय माँ, जय माँ, ओ जय माँ। तेरी महिमा मैं क्या गाऊं सारी दुनिया जाने। उसको विपदा कभी न घेरे जो कोई तुझको माने। तेरे चरणों में देखे मैंने चारों धाम। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूं प्रणाम। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। माता तेरे सुमिरन में ये कैसा अमृत पाया। मोह जगत से दूर हुए भय कोई न मन में आया। जय माँ, ओ जय माँ, जय माँ। माता तेरे सुमिरन में ये कैसा अमृत पाया। मोह जगत से दूर हुए भय कोई न मन में आया। तुमको गाऊं तुमको ध्याऊं माता सुबह हो शाम। जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ, जगदम्बे, जय जगदम्बे माँ। गौरवशाली वैभवशाली तुझको करूं प्रणाम। जगदम्बे, शक्ति जगदम्बे भवानी शंकर माता की अम्बे जय जगदम्बे. Devotees, it is now my esteemed pleasure to introduce to you our Vyasji this evening, who was educated in England, where he received his master's in economics. He's been a Pandit since he was 9 years old and read his first yagya at the young age of 13. To date, he has done over 600 yagyas all across the world, as Panditji rightfully said. He's supported by his Dharmapatni today, Srimati Devi Gurumai, who is a qualified RN, registered nurse. She also holds a bachelor's degree in English literature. They have renounced everything through the grace of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba and has dedicated their entire lives to serve humanity in this form. They have been to these parts over the last several years. I have been very blessed to have known them for about the last 11 years. Guruji is versed, as you can tell, for the last 3 days in all of the scriptures. And based on the responses that we've been getting from the audience here and globally through Akashvani, everyone is very, very impressed and hungry to listen to the nectar that is being delivered here on the altar this evening. So we've had beautiful bhajans and kirtan. We've had beautiful divine pujan. Now I'd like you to sit back, relax, and get ready to dive into the pages of our glorious scriptures. I present to you tonight Shri Pandit Anand Shukulji. Panditji.
प्यारे भाइयों और प्यारे बहनों, प्यारे मित्रगण, उपस्थित सज्जनों, महाविद्वान धर्मात्मिक पंडित जी, आज इसी वक्त मैं बहुत खुशी श्रीमान और श्रीमती अनिरुद्ध भैया, सिलो और परिवार इस महायज्ञ देवी यज्ञ आप स्वागतम, मैं कोटि कोटि प्रणाम सब लोगों. It is my esteemed pleasure tonight to welcome you on behalf of this wonderful family to sit in this assembly of holiness, for us to sip from this nadia, the nectar of immortality. Tonight, I shall endeavor to explain to you the divine glories of Jagadambe Bhavani Maya and Kali Mahakali Bhadra Kali Maya. So far, we have accomplished the divine teachings of Bhairav Baba, Mahadeva Shiva Shambho, Lakshmi Narayana, Ashta Lakshmi, Mahasaraswatyai, and tonight we will accomplish the threefold aspect of the universal goddesses of the heavens and earth, in conjunction with the Trinity, Brahma Pita, Shankar Pita, Vishnu Pita. By His grace, His Divine Majesty, tomorrow, as we will conclude this Mahayagna, we will go directly into the Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad Puran to discuss the infinite glories of Murali Manohar Ghanasham Sri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan. When this yagna shall come to an end, there will be sadness, sorrow, a depth of sorrow and sadness for the separation, going back to our respective homes. I'm quite sure you and I, collectively all of us, will have enough spiritual energy as we are recharging ourselves in this assembly of holiness, to go back into the world of mundane existence, to face the ugly manifestation of Maya, illusion and delusion. But by being here in this Mahayagna, the assurance that is given to each and every one of us is that Bhagavati Maya, Rama Krishna Hari, Sainath Bhagavan, and all the gods and goddesses have given to us the privilege to love, to serve, to meditate, to concentrate, to elevate, to emancipate. And once we have that desire, coming with that desire, and leaving this beautiful ashram, I'm quite sure you will be forever blessed with the infinite grace of Ramakrishna Hari, Ambe Ma Pavana Putra Hanuman. Manojavam Marutatulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatmatmajam Narayut Mukhabhyam Sharanam Prapadhe Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunataya Nataya Sitaya Lokaviramam Ranarangadiram Rajivanetram Raghuvanshanatam Karunanyarupam Karunakarantam Sri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadhe O Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali